Hey guys, welcome back to Stacking Stocks, and thanks for joining us today. We know that NIO is ambitious about making itself a global brand. Today we'll talk about the second NIO sedan that could challenge Tesla Model 3 and the Audi A4 e-tron. Have you heard about the new NIO sedan? We've got the answers. Stay tuned. NIO plans to launch another sedan after the ET7, a lower-priced, smaller car that can fetch higher volumes. The new NIO sedan, possibly called NIO ET5, will likely compete with global midsize electric cars like the Tesla Model 3 and the rumored Audi A4 e-tron that's said to arrive in 2024. The BMW 3 Series Electric is another challenger set to come out in 2022 as a conversion EV. Let's analyze the NIO ET5 design. What do we know? Spy pictures of the NIO ET5 are already making rounds on the web, and they suggest that it will be a sleek, fastback sedan proportionally similar to the NIO ET7. The first pictures indicate that in addition to the silhouette, the tail lamp design will also take on the flagship NIO sedan. Have you come across the sedan's pictures on the web? You should look for them and get an insight into what you should expect from the EV car maker. But then we believe that there is some uncertainty from both consumers and investors. Are we certain that the NIO ET5 will be launched? William Bing Li, founder, chairman, and CEO of NIO, confirmed during the third quarter earnings call in November 2020 that the company would introduce two sedans back-to-back and that it was generating these cars on the NP 2.0 platform. Li said that the two sedans, the first was subsequently unveiled as the ET7, would complete NIO's portfolio and there wouldn't be models bigger than the ES8. He also stated that while electing segments, the company doesn't want to serve the rich market, hinting that both launches would be less expensive than the ES8. In August, Bing Li confirmed during the company's second quarter 2021 earnings conference call that the company plans to introduce three new models in 2022. The NIO ET5 should be one of them. The NIO ET5 midsize sedan would be a luxury model priced at a premium over comparable offerings from mainstream brands. However, the price would be much lower than that of the NIO ET7, which costs at or upwards of €57,533 pre-subsidy. German luxury brands are also developing electric sedans in the executive class, such as the Audi A6 e-tron, the BMW 5 Series Electric, and the Mercedes EQE, which NIO would be following closely. The ET7 can travel over 500 kilometers with a 70-kilowatt battery or over 700 kilometers with a 100-kilowatt battery. We have established that it will receive a solid-state battery option in 2022. NIO is working on an LFP battery, and for the benefits like lowering cost and longer life it provides over an NMC battery, it's likely to strap it to the smaller incoming models. We've also established that NIO has made a deal for the LFP battery production line with CATL. Tesla already offers this chemistry in the Model 3 in China. Bing Li believes that there are some inherent advantages of the LFP battery pack. A very important one is the cost. But there are also some weaknesses and shortcomings with this technology or form factor. For example, the performance of the battery pack at low temperature. This is going to significantly affect the user experience, especially during the winter. If NIO can solve the performance bottleneck under low temperature, we believe it should be the right timing and the right choice for the company to use LFP battery pack and form factor. And that's not all. Let's talk about the NIO Gemini. In May 2021, it emerged that NIO is developing a new model codenamed NIO Gemini with an annual production target of 60,000 units. When the codename and annual production target came into the public domain via reports, the Chinese media speculated that Gemini would be a mass-market model. Ma Ling, Senior Director of Corporate Communications at NIO, has confirmed that the NIO Gemini is not a low-end product. We've established that Gemini is the name of a new sub-brand of NIO. The company could use the sub-brand for relatively cheaper models like the rumored Tesla Model 3 rival. Qing Lihong, co-founder, director, and president of NIO, said on the 30th of June 2021 that there's no plan to launch a model costing under €39,000 anytime soon. He also said that if the company launches such a low-price model in the future, it'll sell it under a sub-brand. During NIO's second quarter 2021 earnings conference call on August 11, 2021, Bing Lee revealed for the first time that the company plans to launch high-volume models under a new brand. Without revealing the name, he said that the company has also stepped up its mass market entry preparation. He mentioned that NIO will enter the mass markets with a new brand. The core team of the new brand was assembled, marking the first step of the strategic initiative of NIO. Bing Lee added that one of the two yet-to-be-announced models due in 2022 would be an entry-level car. For the other two products, apart from the ET7, Bing Lee indicated that he'd share more information at a more appropriate time. The battery cost has declined a little bit, and as NIO's volume goes up, the BOM costs will also have some opportunity to go down. So for the next year's product, NIO probably will have one of the lowest pricing products under the NIO brand. NIO is also preparing to revise current models to offer 5G connectivity and an upgraded cockpit. Bing Lee reportedly confirmed the development at the NIO Track Day 2021 event on July 3, 2021. The company may equip future models like the NIO ET5 and 5G connectivity right from launch. 5G connectivity would make the car ready for future forward technologies like cellular V2X protocol for autonomous driving, and OTA updates on the go would be faster with 5G. Moreover, customers can stream 4K, 8K, or HDR video on multiple screens at gigabit speeds. NIO may use Qualcomm Snapdragon Automotive 5G platform for connectivity in its cars. NOMI recognition rate and response speed would also be perceivably enhanced in the future, and the automatic parking system's performance will see a substantial upgrade. Media reports say that the NIO ET5 unveil will take place at NIO Day 2021, which is to be held on December 18, 2021. We think that NIO could showcase the ET5 in a near-production concept form at this year's NIO Day event. Bing Lee indicated during the second quarter 2021 earnings conference call that NIO plans to commence customer deliveries of the NIO ET5 in 2022. Preparations for the launch of 3 new models in 2022 will begin this year. Should investors be excited by this news? NIO's growth story took a bit of a pause when the company reported October deliveries of only 3,667 vehicles. But that was due to supply chain issues and downtime to upgrade assembly lines for additional capacity and new vehicles. NIO plans to begin delivering the ET7, its first luxury sedan, early next year and has said it plans 2 more new products in 2022. But NIO co-founder Quinn Li Hong said in an interview that the company has maintained an order book above 10,000 vehicles for several months in a row. That prompted Yu and his team to raise its delivery expectation for 2022 by 10,000 vehicles to 160,000 and up to 285,000 for 2023. For perspective, it's delivered 66,395 vehicles in the first 9 months of 2021. NIO has begun exporting vehicles to Norway and plans to expand in Europe to Germany next year. Investors today are reacting to the belief that the growth trajectory remains intact, as highlighted in the report by Deutsche Bank. So here's the question. Is NIO stock worth considering for longer-term investors? We think it is. Although NIO stock trades at a relatively high 12 times consensus 2021 revenues, it should grow into this valuation fairly quickly. Sales are projected to more than double this year, and growth is likely to come in at over 65% in 2022 as well, per consensus estimates. The company has multiple new launches slated for 2022, including its first sedan, dubbed the ET7, which is expected to offer a range of around 1,000 kilometers or 621 miles. Demand should hold up in the long term, as the Chinese government wants about 20% of all new car sales to come from new energy vehicles that do not run on gasoline from 2025 onward. Well, that's all for today. Hit the notification bell for updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, and see you next time right here on Stacking Stocks.